Welcome to another day of Junk Journal July for 2024. So this is an open collaboration hosted by Meg from Meg Journals, and she is collaborating with Get Messy Art. Now if you want to join in the challenge, all the information you need to do so you will find if you follow the link that's in my description box. So I hope you enjoy this one. Hi everyone, and welcome to day 11 of Junk Journal July. Nearly said January. Now if you're wondering why there wasn't a video yesterday, it's because I just must have pressed the off button when I meant to press the on button. So when I realized I was just about finished, so all I had was this little bit of footage that you can see on the screen here, and my cord is hanging across the main part of the screen. So yeah, so this is what I did, and I did mainly oh dear, sorry, I did some collaging, then I covered it in gesso. And then see the two things that are in the corners, the dark red, that was a circle that I punched that other circle out of. I put them at opposite sides of the page, so top right, bottom left, and then I ran a tangled mess of threads up to between the two of them. On the one on the bottom, I just stuck a watercolor circle in there. I've got a little vintage child that I put in. She was sitting on a chair. I cut the chair away and took off her legs so I could get her in to fit in the page a bit better. I put another one of those watercolor circles behind her head, and I've glued her on as if she's sitting on that like a swing sort of thing. And there's stamping and a bit of book page in the background as well, and I've just written out on that bit of paper tangled threads of memories. And that's about all I can offer you for day 10. So let's get on with day 11, and we'll pretend day 10 didn't happen. Well, it didn't happen, did it? But it did, but it didn't. Okay, I hope you enjoy day 11. Hello and welcome to day 11 of Junk Journal July. So prompt for day 11 is stamps. So I'm not going to use postage stamps. I'm going to use acrylic stamps. So I want to firstly put some paper on here because this isn't very strong, this paper. And I want to be able to put some wet things on there. So I'm going to completely cover that in collage, and then I'm going to hit it with some clear gesso.